Hello, my name is Eugene, and today we're going to talk about string. And today we're going to start practicing together, okay? If you would like to do mobile development for iPhone and iPad, Mac is required. You have to have Mac. If you don't have Mac, unfortunately, you can't develop apps for iOS. Mac, that is must have, is required. All right. If you have Mac, so prior to this video, please go to App Store and download Xcode. Xcode, that is a tool that for app development. So go to App Store and search for Xcode, and you can download it from Xcode. Store. Pause the video, download Xcode, and as you download Xcode, after you download it, start my video again and practice with me together. And today we're going to talk about string, how to use it in different examples, in different situations, all about string. If you open your Xcode and select File. From File, select New and select Playground. And select Blank. And name your file string. So today we're going to talk about how to use a string. So a string is very often used in Swift. Example. So we have a greeting, hello playground. That is a string. That is a string as well, name. If you're familiar with URL address that you put in your browser and your website opens up, so URL is also a string. It can be used for a string. A string can be used for URL. That is a string. Same use. Strings can be variables or constants, whatever you prefer, either or. And today we're going to talk about string interpolation. So let's talk about what does it mean. Let's look at the example. So we have age, name, and temperature. So if we want to make a new string and we want to use those constants in that string, how do we do that? How do we pull those constants in the string? So let me show you. If you would like to do string interpolation, pull your variable or constant. So you have to do slash parenthesis, and in those parentheses you have to put a name of your variable or constant. So we're pulling h into our string. So let's look at this. A message. Name. What? Name is Sandra. Then we'll go age. 25 years old. Then name again. Does not like when it's hot. Today, temperature 45.5. And then outside. I guess it's not too hot for Sandra. So let's print it out how our string turns out. So you see that it's called string interpolation. Sometimes we have to know how many characters in our string. How do we do that in Swift? We can count. So that number is how many characters is in our message. Let's try a different example. So that Swift can count how many characters in your string. So you can reverse string as well. How to do that? So see, that is a little bit confusing. I would like to see my name reversed. And how would we do that? You know, Swift has a different types. So when you reverse the string, Swift makes it a different type. So we have that we have to put that type in the string. So it's really easy to do. So let's try that again. So in that our name is reversed. String has prefix. So what does it mean, prefix? We can see if a string has certain string or characters at the beginning of the string. For example, if we want to know if it is a string, if it is a URL string, we can type a certain code and see if it has prefix HTTPS, if it has that string at the beginning. Let me show you. And that is true. Our URL has that prefix. Similarly, URL has suffix, like a string at the end, characters at the end. And that is also true. So we can check if we have prefix or if we have suffix at the end. We often use strings in our app. And today I would like to show you a little example. Let's select File and select App. So that is an example of SwiftUI app. Hello world. That is a string. That is a string. But we also can say hello name. and we can use string interpolation. Hello, Eugene. And this is it. About string. I really hope you enjoyed my video. See you later.